Hello, my alien students. Welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. So, what is the story for today? The story is we want to do the drainage for these three sinks. Okay, they call sink. Okay, it is actually very easy. I'm just trying to show you one. I have finished almost the whole. Very. Yeah, we have done a lot of things here in this project. Okay, our aim is to do the sanitary here. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, whenever you draw any of this sink or whatever, okay, let's save the file, we'll save later. Okay, is to draw a section view, two section views. Okay, that is the most important thing. Two section view. So go to view. So you can see. So this is one sink, the other sink, third. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'll give you the. Actually, I'm doing one more course coming up for. This is modeling. Okay, this is what we're learning is modeling. Okay, this is one of the thing which I had played with this 1 minute. Okay, let's fix that first. Okay, one minute. We have the problem was with this one. Yeah. Just do one more section. Yeah. Okay. See, what I'll do is I just delete this part so we don't have any headache. And okay, 1 minute. Draw a pipe. Okay, good. Draw a pipe. If you can't see what we have done, is just go to the view. I need to look at it in this way. Okay, we can make it show how to do it. So it should be section 5. Yes, section 5. And just delete the bottom one. Set frame. Okay, everyone is happy now. Yeah, okay, it is connected. Yes, good. Now what I can do is just I wanted to fix that error. Okay, it was that one. Okay, I'll just go here. Again, go to view. Just delete this and delete it. In the rest called using the mouse keyboard whatever. Okay. So we are ready for the plumbing. So let's see what we have done so far. We've done this. Okay. I am planning to do yes. Okay, they are low. I think we're talking about these three. Okay, that was the mistake I've done before. We'll make it up. Okay, our aim now is to make. Uh, let's make it better like this. Okay. See, we have three sinks. Sinks. Okay, we want to make the drainage system for it. See, there are many methods to do it. I would recommend doing the way I do it. Okay. What I'll just send you I'll tell you what's the story. Where is the pen? Okay, we have three sinks. Okay, one sink here, one sink here. I'm very good at drawing hand drawings, so that's the problem. So, and the second sink is here. Okay, so you're looking at it from the side view. So what I'm going to do is I would do it's too big. Oh, double wide like this. So there's a connection like this. This would go to him. This would go to him, and this would go to him. Okay, so this is the plan. This is the way, and this would go to the main pipe, whatever. Okay, so this is from your section view. If we look from this side, okay, let's say you have a wall here, okay, and this pipe all are in one line. Let's say it goes this way, and then we can do it like this. Okay, P trap. and then goes to the sink. Okay, how does S trap? Okay, like this. So it is an S trap. I have done a mistake here. Just run this part. Got it. Isn't it? So inverted on that one. Where was the pen? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, get the picture. So we do it inverted. So it goes this way. Okay, or the other way around. So it takes from the thing, goes down. That would be connected to the P trap to the sink. Okay, so this would go like a brush. Sorry, this would go to your sink. Sink go P trap down. Okay, we will see it how to do it. Okay, so what I need to do is first I need to draw system fixture, piping fixture. Oh, this is what I was looking for. This is the best. So it's called double Y. Okay, instead of having double T, let me see if I can get a double Y. So this way double. We are looking for not this, not this, not that also. I'm looking for double Y. Okay, if you don't get it there, look here. Okay, blah blah blah, T double. I think this should be this one of these should help me get the job done. Create instance. Let me show you how does it look. Okay, you know, we are in the section view, so he should be. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, you just need to get the right orientation. If that's a headache, I'll tell you one thing. What you do is simple. This is the line, right? Just draw an RP reference plane just to get it as a center. This is also another center, and another center is here. Okay. What you could do is maybe rotate this arrow, place from where this part. How much degree? 45. Okay, so this guy would give me a DM. Okay, I think it's not the perfect. Is this the center? No. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will place this, right click, but instead of that also we can just create one system pipe. We are in drainage. Let's say we need not cold water, we need sanitary. Have I not created a DWV drainage? I've just created as a color, other color. Okay, so this is a pipe. If you want, we can draw it as, yeah. Create an instance. Beautiful. Okay. What's the story is this is too small. What's the size? Ah, come on, 15 millimeter. We need it to be at least 100. And then he makes this problem. Okay, doesn't matter. We will change it to 100, and everyone is happy. Okay, or maybe 50 millimeter. Why need to make 100? 50 is good. See, this one's connector is 40. Okay, make it 40 then. Okay. So first part of the story is done. We will pipe. Okay. Okay, this is good. Then we need, from here we need to connect it to this one. So what we will do, we need to go to the other section view. Okay, draw a pipe down. Okay, now I just tell you one thing. See here, we're getting an elbow. We don't want an elbow, we want a P-trap. Okay, many methods are there. Okay, I will show you an easy method now. So this is a standard. We wanted it to be in a drainage system. It is in the right, like draw a pipe, make sure it is in drainage. That's the thing we are doing. Just go straight down. We don't need slope because it's just coming down. Okay. Okay, here we will require the slope to be down. I will do it slope down 1%. Okay, see, when I did this, I got an elbow. I don't want an elbow, I want it to be a P-trap. Okay, there are many methods to do it. One method is, let's say, where is the trap? Trap. One method is to do this hide and seek method, where he keeps playing with you. Okay, which I find a bit ridiculous because it is wasting my time. This is doing the job for me now. I just need to flip it now, if I can flip it. Yeah, but I need to flip it this way. Okay. Okay, this is good, but I don't like to do it. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I will show you what I'm going to do. I will make one here. Let's say duplicate, make it 3. Instead of making standard 3, I will tell him it is elbow family. Now you say, John, what is that? Right click, create an instance. I'm just going to delete this, and we will just load this guy, create an instance. Just put him here. Just put him. That's it. Okay. So this is a P-trap. Okay. I will edit the family and make him and I put him. Okay, that was my previous story. Okay. Generally, this is not elbow. Okay. A P-trap is not an elbow, so I had to make it an elbow. Probably one of my old projects I've saved, which has not. Okay. Anyway. So what I'm going to do now, I will just show you the magic now. Okay, edit type, routing, come on. I am going to bring him in. It should be elbow. Okay. I can, for typing, I just can remove him. Let's say 50. Okay, I'll make it a bigger size so you don't get confused. Say okay. Drainage is applied. Okay. Now you see the trick. Okay, select this much. There's a tab here. And then reapply type, you see, oh, John, your P-trap has come. I know, I'm genius. Okay, so this is the story. You got the P-trap. Let's go to the other section view. Okay, now what we need to do is, we need to get this guy and this guy to align. So we need to go to another section view. Okay, where is that guy? Now that P-trap can't be seen. Good. Let me make the other ones also. Floor plan. Where is the floor plan? Okay, this is what I have done. This is the thing. Okay, good. I need to get this to this. Let's see if I can. If I trim him, will he give me my answer? Or he'll go to make a P-trap. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, listen. Let me do the other ones too. Okay. Go to view. Draw a pipe. Come on. I not go to Mount Everest. I can go up a bit. Oh, no. This is dangerous. Okay. Draw a pipe. Then go to view. What I'm telling is, do not go to Mount Everest. We can make as high as possible. Okay, so we will have to see all the three. Okay, what we can do is align. Beautiful. Okay, so three pipes are coming towards me. Now I will just check if is it possible to trim. Okay, we need to make a. Okay, now we need to change. This is DWV drainage. Okay, now I be good boy and I will make him normal elbow, whichever his elbow is. Just let stand along. See what. Okay, so okay, apply. Okay. Trim. Okay. So there is some problem there. So the view which I am in. Okay, I need to get the pipe. Let's go to view. Okay, can I see this pipe? Yes. He is coming up. He is going sideways. Let's see in 3D view how it looks. Okay. Sorry. Here it is. Okay, we are going there somewhere. We can actually TR trim. No, they have to be aligned. So what I'll do is I will align this guy with this guy. So this guy has to be able to join. We need to draw. Okay. Where is my 3D view? I should be able, if they are aligned, I should be able to. Beautiful. Isn't it? Now I need to get this guy and this guy in a line, one line. This can be done either by putting him in down, a bit down. So what I have to do is I have to get him aligned with this guy, but this is other axis. Okay, 1 minute. Section view, section. Okay. Move. Okay. So this pipe has to be aligned with that one. So align. Yes. Okay. Now if I go to my other view. So this is the other one. I was doing section for the other one. Let's see this with this. Beautiful. Okay, same story that side. Where will I move it to this point? Okay, so now what I have to do is align that pipe center. Beautiful. You can go to the 3D view and say trim. Stuck. This one with, okay, he's not happy with it. Just save this project. Okay. Section 4 is aligned with this section. This is perfect. Why don't I move this to this guy? Happy. Done. So I hope you people understood the story. Then what we can bring in close. We don't need to go to Mount Everest or Mount Barker or wherever. Okay. So if we go to a 3D view, and this guy, I think we can move him up. No, you can't move. He's moving the P-trap, the sink. Let's say unload. Okay. So I hope you understood this class. Okay, just another question, random question which was coming to me. Why is John your color is whichever this color is orange and mine is green? I have not done anything weird. Okay, let's say like this. I've not done anything weird. Probably I have done. I just show you what I have done. Okay, I have done something like what is the name of this? Is I said a drainage. I said, yeah, a DWB. So just put and DW is going to be a headache for you. No, slowly down. Jump PVC pipe. I think we're talking about this. Set type properties and change the color to whichever color you want. Red is firefighting. You can't put red there. You may put green, which is the standard color, or if you want the darker one, you put this one, which is the same thing. Okay. Okay. I hope you understood this class. I hope you enjoyed this class. You learned something that is important. If you didn't learn, tell me, John, I didn't learn something. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed today's class. Yeah, yeah. So then what we can do is, if you've done the piping, where is it? We can draw the main thing to connect to the main pipe. Where is the main pipe? We can all draw a section view, which is done. Where's the picture? Done. Okay. So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. It was beautiful. So the class which I was looking forward to do from a long time. And yeah. So that is the story for the okay. Can we not connect? Okay, just right click and draw. If I want to draw a pipe straight, I have to be in a section view, not this one, the other one. So section 5. Okay, and this beautiful section is, where is this section 5? Yeah, so I can't see him. So if I say go to view, yeah, this is the pipe. Draw a pipe. We are going down. Okay, that is the pipe. It has to be go and connect to the main sewer. Okay, probably two things must happen here. The elevation is too high. What is, I think this is the Y. I think it looks like the Y. I can't move the sink, my friend. Okay. Okay. But you get the picture, that is important. Okay. Sorry. This is not okay, possible. Okay. We're not directly 50. But anyway, so what was my story was to show you how to do this thing. Probably the spacing is too far, the sink is too far. That's why you have the Y. But the question is, the point is, you get the picture how to draw it. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. Just draw a small story here. Okay. So see you everyone in the next class. Yeah, what I was trying to convey message is in the next class, not next. I'm making a. There's a problem here in the elevation. You see, this doesn't happen. Okay, we should have been in an elevation section here to fix it. If I make this way, see. Anyway, so what I can do is just delete this and delete this. Fine. I will generate, not do it in so thick, yes, thin lines. So tr this guy with this guy. Done. We are happy now. Okay. Yeah. Probably I'm not connected this place. Anyway, hope everybody enjoyed today's class. Where is my section box? I wanted to show you how to do it. Okay. Take care, and we will catch up in the next class. Okay, bye.